1. Caesar salad, a classic salad made with romaine lettuce, croutons, Parmesan cheese, and Caesar dressing, known for its creamy, tangy flavor. 2. Greek salad, a fresh Mediterranean salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, olives, and feta cheese, dressed with olive oil and oregano. 3. Cobb salad, an American chopped salad featuring lettuce, chicken, bacon, eggs, avocado, tomatoes, and blue cheese. 4. Caprese salad, a simple Italian salad made with fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, basil leaves, olive oil, and balsamic glaze. 5. Waldorf salad, a sweet and crunchy salad made with apples, celery, grapes, walnuts, and mayonnaise or yogurt dressing. 6. Niçoise salad, a French salad with tuna, hard-boiled eggs, olives, green beans, potatoes, and anchovy dressing. 7. Chicken salad, a versatile salad made with cooked chicken, mayonnaise or yogurt, and often mixed with celery, onions, or herbs. 8. Potato salad, a hearty salad made from boiled potatoes mixed with mayonnaise, mustard, onions, and herbs. 9. Tuna salad, a protein-rich salad combining canned tuna with mayonnaise, celery, onions, and seasoning. 10. Coleslaw, a crunchy salad made from shredded cabbage and carrots, typically mixed with a creamy or vinegar-based dressing. 11. Pasta salad, a cold salad made with cooked pasta, vegetables, cheese, and dressings such as Italian or mayonnaise-based sauce. 12. Quinoa salad, a healthy salad featuring cooked quinoa mixed with vegetables, herbs, and light lemon or olive oil dressing. 13. Fruit salad, a sweet mix of fresh fruits such as melon, berries, grapes, and citrus, often served chilled. 14. Tabbouleh, a Middle Eastern salad made with parsley, bulgur wheat, tomatoes, mint, lemon juice, and olive oil. 15. Fattoush, a Levantine salad with mixed greens, vegetables, and crispy pita bread, dressed with sumac and lemon. 16. Spinach salad, a fresh salad made with raw spinach leaves, often combined with bacon, eggs, nuts, and vinaigrette dressing. 17. Beet salad, a vibrant salad made with cooked beets, goat cheese, or feta, nuts, and a light vinaigrette. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.